Hi, I'm Linda from Barlates Body Blitz, and this is my fur baby Minnie. Hopefully she'll stay there the whole time and distract you from the burn. She sometimes moves around, but not often. Sometimes people think she's just a statue or a pillow because she's so still. Anyway, today is 1000 rep abs challenge. So if you've done any of my previous 1000 rep challenges, you know that it's going to burn, but we're going to break it down. So we're doing 50 reps per exercise, 10 exercises on each side. We're going to do everything on one side and then repeat it on the other side. So you're going to be fully fatigued on the one side. We're going to be doing a lot of combination type moves today. So it might take slightly longer because the reps will kind of be a double count in some cases. But that's okay, we're going to stick with it and hopefully we'll be able to get all the way through without taking too many breaks. Having said that, if you do need to take a break or do need to go slower than me, you definitely can do that. Just press pause, finish off your 50 reps and come back to it when you can. Otherwise, if you can't do 50 reps all in one go today, then maybe just try for half, maybe 30, maybe 40. Do the best you can, follow along, and most importantly, focus on form. Now, because I will be talking a lot throughout, I won't be talking a lot throughout the workout, as in cueing, you really need to listen out at the beginning of the exercise for the setup. The rest of the time I'm going to be counting in my head and try not to mess it up too much, but I probably will, so sorry, not sorry. I usually go over, not under. We're going to get started straight away in a side lying position. So shoulder is aligned over your elbow, your tummy's in, your hips are stacked, and you're kind of pushing your pelvis forward a bit, okay? I don't want you to open out, pushing forward. We're going to keep our legs straight, and then we're going to bend the top leg, and we're going to be moving that top leg and the top arm. So I want you to, first of all, reach. So lift your leg in, reach for your ankle, then lift your leg, tap your leg down, and then reach for your inner knee with that elbow. So it's down, up, up, and up. That's 3. Bend into it. Once you have it, larger range of motion. Really bend into it. Nine. Hold your belly in super tight here. 12. Go past your elbow here. 15. Nice dynamic move to start us off. 19. 20. Come on. Already halfway. You really need to push to feel this. So you're pushing forward here, crunching the knee past the elbow each time. 30. 35. Really make sure you're bracing your core here with your supporting side. So don't move anything except for the top portion and that leg. 36. 37. I think I miscounted then. 39. 40. Just 10 more. Come on, 10. Good leg work here as well. 5, 4, 3, 2, last 1. Awesome job. We're going to do something similar with the front. So now anchor your back leg. Make sure you're pushing out and you're not slouching into that shoulder. We're going to do the same thing with the front leg. We're going to bend in and tap the inside of the foot, lifting it and bringing the knee in. And then we're going to extend and then tap our elbow to the outside. So it's inside, outside. Again, bending towards it here. That's where the work is, mainly here. 5. 10. Should be feeling your core just crunching in every direction here. 14. Always blow out on the exertion. 20. 'Try to hold that leg up. Don't put it all the way down. 25, halfway. Heart rate's coming up, fast motion. 30. 34, come on. 38, 39, 40. Just 10. 6, 5, 4. Don't slouch. 3, tummies in. 2, last 1. Nice job. We're going to come down for a second. So having a slightly easier one. We're going to put our hands behind our head again. Don't pull on your neck. Just keep them nice and wide. And we're going to bring our leg up and bring our chest to the ceiling as we bring that leg down, and then forward as we bring the leg up. So we're going in an L shape. It's down and up. Try and get your back shoulder as close to the mat as you can. You should feel that stretch in your lower back, blowing out as you lie back. 6, 7, and if you want to, you can tap all the way forward. Make the range of motion larger. 11, really push that leg to the back. 15, moving in opposition. Crossing that center line, really using so many muscles on each way, up and down. 20. 27, 28, come on. Don't sacrifice form for speed. If you can't keep up with my pace, slow it down, please. 36. 38, trying to press my shoulder blade down at the back. 40. If you can't touch all the way, that's fine. Just try and get as close as you can. 42, come on. 48, 49, 50. Awesome job. Okay, come back up on your elbow, and I want your legs diagonally to the front. If you want to bend the bottom leg, you can. It will give you a more stable base of support. I want your alignment perfect. Make sure that your tummy's in and your hips are stacked on top of each other. And we're going to bring that leg out. Maybe turn the kneecap up slightly and then just in and out. I want you to reach your body away and then bring it in. And that's all we're doing. 1, 2, those were demonstrations. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So kneecap is a bit more to the ceiling. 12, don't pull on your head. 13, 14, 15. Lengthen and in. Lengthen and crunch. 25, that's halfway. Crunch and extend, crunch and extend. Poke your toe away, squeeze your quad as you extend. Straighten behind the knee. 33. 40, just 10 more, don't slouch. 48, 49, 50. Nice job. Okay, so now directly to the side, we're doing a kind of a bit more conventional one. Hips are stacked, tummies are in. Push away from the floor. You want to make sure that there's a gap here. And we're going to separate our legs a little bit. Keep the bottom one off the mat and up. Just tiny ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a really small range of motion. You're not going to be able to get it high. 15, 17, maybe. 18, 19. Maybe add the arm. Already 30. 40, come on, just 10. And 1. So those ones work faster. Another fast one coming up. I'm just going to switch sides so my leg is facing you. The next one, lie down, hands behind your head, cross your legs over, and all we're doing is a crunch, lifting that leg. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out, and keep your leg up. 4, 5, keep it crossed. 6, 7. Don't pull on your head. Nice wide elbows. Tiny crunches for the upper abs. Halfway. 30, long neck. Just 10. 2, 1. Nice job. Deep breath in. Okay, the next one is for lower abs. We're going to put our toe on top of the other, just under the kneecap, and we're going to lift up and down. So it's going to be like a lower ab raise. You can press your hands into the mat, or if you want to, I'm going to kind of keep my upper abs engaged. We're going to lift up, and then we're going to come down from there, down and up small. Down, up. Make sure there's no gap between your back and the mat. Not a lot of pressure with the top leg, but just enough to make it that little bit harder. 15. Focus on your lower abs. If this is too hard, then bend it. 25. 35, keep breathing. Just 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're going to bring our legs to tabletop, and we're going to come to the side, not all the way down, and back to the center. If you want to make it harder, extend and do it that way. I'm going to do mine bent. If you want to engage with the upper abs, you can do it like this with your elbows down. 2, 3, maybe just down like this is better. 4, 5. Slow and controlled. Try and come down as far as you can, but not all the way down. We're trying to keep our shoulders down. 10. You are lifting from the back hip, but you're stopping it and then pulling back up. So all of the action is when you're pulling back up. 15. Slow and controlled. 'Keep breathing. Hold your belly in as tight as you can. It will help protect your back. 25, that's halfway. Oh, 30. I definitely would rather be in Hawaii right now. 31. The further away your knees are from your mid-center, the harder this is, okay? So if you want to extend more, you can. You'll feel it straight away. 40, come on, just 10 more. 9, 8, 1. Nice job. Okay, last one, lying, and then we've got one more after that to finish off. So we're going to extend this leg, not directly up, but kind of at 45. We're going to bring this knee in, up, and as we bring this leg up, we're going to switch. So it's in and up. 4. If this is putting you off, then maybe just do the knee ins and forget about the other leg. Maybe just leave the other leg up in the air. In and switch. Oh my gosh, this one's going to be hard. I can already tell. 10. If you need to slow down, there's no shame in that. Don't pull on your head. 14, 15, 16, 19, 21, 25. Come on, it's halfway. Oh my gosh. Close your eyes and breathe. "30. 32. If you can't do the upper body, just do the lower body. 34, 35, 40. Come on, just 10 more. 9. Nice straight legs. 6, 3, 2, last 1. Oh my gosh, I hope you felt that as much as I did. Help yourself up. The last one, we're in a seated position. I don't know why I did this one after that one, because this is gonna burn a lot. Okay, we're gonna bring our hands kind of like this with bent elbows. The other leg can be straight or it can be up, and we're gonna bring it in and in. So in and out. 5, keep your leg up. 6, 13, tap, tap. Yeah, your hip flexor is going to feel this. If you're not going to be able to do this, maybe just go like this, okay? Maybe even up here. 20. 25. 26. Maybe tap it down and slow it down. 30. Come on. 38, this is our last one. We get a stretch. 40, come on. 10, 9, 8, 6, oh my gosh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. That was super hard. Come into a child's pose and just stretch that out. Oof. Deep breath in. That one got me out of breath a bit. Arms down. Just wiggle here for a bit. One more deep breath. And we're on to the other side. Can you believe it? We've got a whole other side to do. I'm going to move this out of the way. That's usually the thing that Minnie sits on, but she's chosen to sit on the sofa. She's shedding, so I'm trying to put little spots for her to sit on that it doesn't go all over the carpet and all over the sofa, because it's really hard to get off that. Okay, so align yourself. Tummy's in, hips are stacked, not turned back. This elbow is underneath the shoulder. Push out, engage under here. You want to be using your lower abs too. We're going to start with the top leg bent, and we're going to reach, and then we're going to tap. So it's reach and tap.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time.
10. Keep that leg up. Really reach past.
But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool.
17.
But if I fall, I will get
You're rotating that leg. 20. Don't slouch on this other side. Halfway. $30, come on. Our body's warm now, so this side May not feel as bad out of the gate, but it'll add up, don't worry. 36. 43. 45. 49. 50. Okay, so if you ever need to come up and kind of shake out your shoulder, you can. So now we're kind of doing that similar thing with the other leg. Remember, this leg's going to anchor you, so you can just keep it bent at the back. And we're going to tap on the inside, and then we're going to tap our elbow on the outside. So it's kind of opposite. 2. 10. Now if you want to reach even further, you can reach past the leg. You don't have to tap, you know. Why not? Go all out. That means you're bringing the knee in closer and feeling that crunch more intensely. 19. 25, halfway. 30. This one seems to be going faster this side. Must be faster beats. So we're going a little bit faster. 36. Keep that leg up. You may as well get that bonus work in. 40, come on. Just 10. 5. 4. 3. 2. Last one. Nice job. So we're coming into that laying position. We're going to have our hands by our ears. The bottom leg you can kind of straighten or bend depending on how you feel. We're going to bring that leg in front and down while we kind of twist slightly to the back, and then we're going to bring it up and we're going to bring our elbow forward. Now, because you kind of need to adjust, you need to put your elbow a little bit back, otherwise you're going to fall here. So it's back and forward. Now, if you want to come all the way down, right? Up to you. But I want you to focus on opening up that knee to the ceiling every time, as far back as you can. Okay, get a stretch in that inner thigh. 9. 10. 12. Try to get your back shoulder down. 'Wringing out the waist here. Everything opposing. Your upper body is opposing your lower body. 21.
Don't need someone to save me. No, and don't come running to blame me.
Halfway.
From miles away, I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk. I think I said enough.
29. 30. So it's a little bit slower this song, which means you can really stretch back. 32. 39. 40, come on, just 10 more. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is a great stretch as well for your spine because you're rotating your leg forward and your upper body back. So we're coming back to that position where our legs are going to be to the corner, and we're going to do that knee in. So we're going to slightly turn our kneecap up to the ceiling, and we're going to do that in and crunch and then extend. And on the extension, I want you to almost arch your body, but lengthen and crunch. So it's in and out. Breathe out as you crunch in. Keep your leg up and really extend behind the leg as you press that toe towards the opposite wall. 20. Halfway, we're twisting our upper body up to the ceiling in this one. 29. 40, come on, just 10 more. This is an easier one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We're coming back into that position. You can come all the way down here. Just cradle your head in your hands. And we're going to separate our legs. We're going to use our hand in front, and we're just going to lift up. If you want to do it up here, it's more intense. Directly up to the side. Your legs are not in front, they're in line with your body. 15, 17, maybe hand down in opposition. 20, don't let your hips rotate to the ceiling. 30. 40, just 10 more. Don't let your legs touch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Okay, we're on our backs again. I'm going to switch so you can see my leg. Starting with that one where our legs are crossed, you want to make sure that you're pressing your lower back, so your entire spine into the mat. Fingertips by the ears, don't pull up, look up at the ceiling, deep breath in, and raise the leg and raise the upper body. It's a tiny crunch, you're not coming up far. Both legs are engaged. Keeping that crossed over position. Halfway, elbows are wide. Leg is stick straight. Just 10, 9, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We're going to put our toe underneath the kneecap, and you can just anchor your hands into the mat. we're gonna go down and up. So if you wanna engage your upper abs, just lift up again, down and up. So pressing down a little bit with the top leg, not too much, because we wanna make sure, again, that there's no gap here, and we're keeping our spine pressed into that mat. $15. The lower the leg, the harder it is. Remember, you can bend if this is too much and maybe tap your toe. 25, that's halfway. $40, just 10 more. 10. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next one, we're going to bring our legs into tabletop, and we're going to windshield wiper to the front. So you can put your hands wherever they're comfortable, maybe press into the mat. Make sure your knees don't come in. You want to keep them above the hips. And we're just going to come down to that point of control and then back up. It's down and up. And remember, the further away your legs are, the harder it is. So if you're crazy enough, extend and try doing it that way. This one's much more slow and controlled because you need to focus on keeping everything into the mat apart from that hip. The back hip is coming up, but everything else is pressed into the mat. Okay, so I want you to really focus here and don't go too fast. Hold everything in tight so you're protecting your back. And don't come too low. 16, 17, 23, 24. Don't let your knees creep. They're going to want to creep in. Don't let them. Keep checking. 26, over halfway. Pressing that opposite shoulder into the mat. It's going to want to lift. Don't let it. $36. $38. If you're finding it hard to keep that shoulder down, you can actually have a heavy dumbbell by your outstretched hand and grip onto that, and that will anchor you a little bit. 41.
Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miss with you. Still it feels just
45, come on, 5 more, let's do it together. 5,
something better. Wait a second,
4, 3, 2, last 1. Nice job. Maybe if you're finding that your back is feeling a bit uncomfortable, just roll it out, maybe bring your knees in, stretch it out a little bit. I don't want you to be uncomfortable going into the next exercise. Your hands are going to be back by your ears. We're going to extend this leg and keep it about 45. We're going to bring it in and then we're going to switch. So it's in and switch. 5. 7. Don't pull on your head. 10. 12. Slow it down if you need to. Don't allow your back to leave the mat. 20, come on. Take breaks if you need to. "26, over halfway. 29, we can do this. 30, 31, if you just want to do one of the crunches. 32, then just hold it as you switch. 33, 34, 35, 36, 10. Last 10, come on. I know this is the hardest one for me anyway. She started doing her hair and makeup just for you. 5 more, come on. Only because you kissed a girl when you wanted to. 2. Last one. Finish it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is the last one. Help yourself up. This is the last exercise for the entire workout. Okay? It's going to be hard, but we can do it together. We did it on the other side. So remember, we're going to in. No, we're not. We're going to in and out, in and out, in and out. 4, 8. Don't touch your leg down if you can. 15. 18. Slow it down if you need to. If you need to, just do the arms, remember? Or maybe down here. 24. 30. Oh my gosh. This is so hard. 34. 39. Come on, grit your teeth. 40. We can do this. 41. 42. 45. Push through, you're strong. 48. 49. 50. Oh my gosh. Lie down on your stomach and just kind of push away. Deep breath in. That one got my heart rate up so much. I'm still kind of puffing a bit. That was definitely excruciating towards the end there, I have to admit. I don't think I'll be doing that anytime soon. Again, anytime soon. If you can, just peel yourself up a little bit more. Keep your shoulders away from your ears and really just stretch up. Deep breaths here. So we worked every part of that core. We worked even our lower body, a little bit of bonus lower body, bonus upper body. It was kind of like a total body workout, but focusing mainly on the core. Definitely feels good to stretch that out. We're going to come up and come into kind of a mermaid position, and we're just going to stretch over. And over. That feels good. And over again. And over. And then just switch those legs around. Same thing. All the way over. Stretching all those muscles out that we just contracted. One more time. And then come back into that child's pose. Keep your knees apart and just armpits down to the mat. And then bring your knees in closer, and I want you to round your spine up. Keep your arms down and round up, as if you're trying to push your spine up to the ceiling. And then peel yourself up. Maybe roll a bit through those shoulders, holding you in place for so long. Wiggle it out, shake it out. And that is it. Thanks so much for joining me for the 1000 rep abs challenge. I hope you felt that burn. If you didn't, then you have got abs of iron. I will see you at the next segment. Bye for now.